We've seen the Tesla Model 3 experimented on in the past, but we haven't seen anything like this before. Newport Convertible Engineering has laid its hands on the electric car and converted it into a drop-top model. Although chopping off the roof and adding soft top sounds like a simple job, it is far more complicated and sophisticated than you can imagine. They had to reinforce the Model 3 so that it doesn't suffer from structural problems in the future. Based purely on the looks, the convertible Model 3 doesn't look very appealing. The roof folds back and sits there crumbled instead of hiding away from sight. This mod is pretty unique since there is no electric Ford or convertible on the market today, so it wouldn't be the worst idea to get this done to your Tesla Model 3 if you are looking for exclusivity. Newport Convertible Engineering is charging $29,500 for the soft top conversion and $39,500 for a convertible with a power folding top. That is almost as much as the price of a brand new Model 3 standard range, which retails at $39,990. Will you spend $40 grand to convert your Tesla Model 3? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section below.